So hello guys, today in this video I will quickly show you that how you can get GPT-4 and other popular AI models API for free using GitHub Marketplace. It will be a short video. I wanted to notify you all guys that there's something that is called GitHub Marketplace, if you don't know, where previously so many apps were there, but they have added a new preview feature of models. First you see these things. They were the traditional apps that you can add to your GitHub repo or GitHub profile on GitHub Marketplace, but now they have added a catalog of models and you can see it preview and you can give feedback also, and for now it's free and you can see the pricing and other stuff. I will show you other services where you can get free API of popular LLMs for especially for LLMs, open source LLMs like DeepSeek and Llama etc. I prefer Cloudflare AI. You can also search for this. Wait, let me close this. Cloudflare AI. See, this service is also free. If you want to take the subscription, it's a $20 subscription, very cheap for just running the models. That is for the worker running. And see, text generation and the API speed is faster. You can see this, the cost, it gives you a lot of free neurons for that. So let's not talk about this, maybe in another video, but let's talk about the main thing that we have came here. Like if you want to run Grok 3 or DeepSeek R1, there are so many paid models. OpenAI model is not open source, but it's available because GitHub is VS Code, OpenAI, everything controlled by Microsoft. So that's why they have added, maybe all the OpenAI models are here. And let me show you okay, let's run OpenAI O4 mini. For that, just select the model and you can also type, you can check in the playground also. You can tweak the parameters, details, and the model is still responding. You can see the code here. You just have to call OpenAI from OpenAI package and it's approximately the same, just the base URL is changed and you have to set the token from the GitHub token, but the rest of code will be same as we used to do traditionally using OpenAI library. You can see the response is here now. And how can we travel there without money? Okay, let's ask this. I'm a lion, teach me HTML in my language. I think it's not streaming now. Reasoning effort high, that's why it's taking some time. No human language involved, otherwise I will kill you. Let's see what will the response. Just copy it. It's taking so much time, I don't know why, but previously it was working. You can check it in on your own. It's very easy to see things. You can also add rate limitings and other stuff. See all the documentations here. You can run it on Codespace also. It's all tried and tested. Python code, OpenAI, Azure AI interface. Okay. You can also use the Azure library. See in JavaScript. Oh, that's very easy to set up. If you have previously used the OpenAI library, you just have to change the base URL and all set. I think we have to refresh. Yeah, no, wait. still don't get the response. Let's reload this. Yeah, it's giving response now. How can we travel there without money? So this was about the video. If you want to know more about AI and know more free services, just comment it out in the description, and you can try these prompts on your own on the website github.com/marketplace. And thanks for watching the video. Let's see you again. Oh ho ho ho. Score free transport. I think the speed is slow. It is okay. GitHub is a reliable platform. Okay, let's send this now. See what is happening. Other people can leave the arena. To prompt triggered as your what the means. All their infrastructure is running on Azure infrastructure, so their one more motive is to promote Azure uses, and you can easily deploy on Azure from this. Oh, that's why my internet is slow, that's why it's not responding, so you can test it on your own. Thanks for watching the video. See you again.